USDA Home Mortgage Loans, brought to you by todaylending.com. What is a USDA home loan? USDA Oklahoma home loans are used to help low-income individuals purchase property in rural areas. This is just a brief overview of the USDA and how their program might be able to help you purchase a home. Is owning your own home a pipe dream? It may not be if you qualify. For many individuals with low income, the thought of owning a home is not in their plan, but if you live in Oklahoma and you qualify, you may be eligible to receive a 100% home mortgage loan, meaning no down payment required. The down payment is one of the two biggest obstacles when it comes to buying a home, that and your credit history. So, are you eligible? There are some eligibility requirements, just like most loans, but the funds can also be used to build, repair, relocate a home, or renovate your current home. In order to qualify for a USDA loan, an applicant must fall within 115% of the median income for the area. You must be able to financially make the mortgage payments, which includes taxes and insurance, and also keep in mind that while you do not have to have a perfect credit, you must have a decent credit history. So what is available? The USDA has secured 1,604 loans totaling over $165 million in Oklahoma through the Single Family Housing Loan Program. The USDA's Farm Service Agent has secured $5.21 million to date, which translates to 111 direct operating farm loans helping farmers keep their property. These loans have also enabled them to purchase livestock, farm equipment, and use toward other operating expenses. So, are there loan limits? In a word, yes. The USDA limits how much someone can borrow for their home. This differs according to the area. In Tulsa, Oklahoma, the loan limit effective March 1, 2009 is $144,500. That does not mean that you can borrow that much toward any house. This is only the maximum borrowing amount allowable. What about income limits? Along with loan limits, the USDA limits the amount of income a family can receive and still qualify for the loan. Families up to 4 members can make $73,600. Families from 5 to 8 members are allotted a maximum income of $97,150. So, how much will the USDA finance? USDA loans finance up to 102% of the appraised value of the house. This means that it will finance 100% of the value along with the 2% guaranteed loan fee. Who's eligible for a USDA loan? Like most loans, your income must be sufficient to pay the mortgage, interest, property taxes, and insurance. Generally, mortgage companies expect payments to be less than 29% of the buyer's gross monthly income. Your credit score is also considered. In most cases, a FICO credit score of 620 is needed to qualify for a USDA loan. The other factor involves your debt ratio. 41% debt is generally considered acceptable. This 41% includes all current debts plus the estimated amount to pay the housing costs. So what are you waiting for? This is an opportunity of a lifetime for those who may not otherwise be able to purchase a home. And with no money down and 100% financing, why haven't you applied? Since January 2009, the USDA has increased 120,000 guaranteed home loans, which is almost tripled from 2007. Are you a first-time home buyer? If so, contact your real estate agent or lender today in Oklahoma and see if you qualify for a USDA guaranteed loan. You may want to visit their website and review the guidelines for qualifying first, or you can work with your agent who can guide you through the process from beginning to end. Be sure that your lender has experience in USDA guaranteed loan processing before you begin your house hunting. Looking for a USDA qualified lender. Remember, dealing with an agent or lender that has experience in several different types of mortgages will give you options that inexperienced or smaller lenders cannot. You want to know what's available and if you qualify before you make your final decision, and this will also help speed up the process and get you into your home sooner. Credit score cleanup. You also will want to run your credit score to make sure that everything's correct. If you need some time to clean up a few blemishes, try to do that before you proceed through the loan process. Even if your credit is not the best, you may still qualify for a USDA Oklahoma loan, but you will never know unless you try. Talk to your lender today and see where you stand. We are Today Lending, and we're here to help. If you would like more information about USDA home loans or would simply like to call and speak with us about your individual situation, please do not hesitate to contact us at 918-582-7283 or visit our website at todaylending.com.